Let's take a look at this question. Which number is larger, 4 to the 29th power or 5 to the 25th power? Let's write down these two numbers and put a question mark in between. Both sides are unknown to us, but we want to know the exact value of at least one side. What we can do is to divide both sides by 2 to the 25th power. Then the left side becomes 4 to the 4th power, and the right side becomes 5 over 4 to the 25th power. 4 to the 4th power is 256. And for the right side, we will use the Binomial Theorem to estimate its value. The general procedure is to write x to the yth power as c times a plus b to the nth power, then to the mth power. Here, a must be positive, b can be either positive or negative, but a has to be significantly larger than the absolute value of b. We try to use the first few items of expanded expression to estimate the value of a times b to the nth power. This is its expanded expression. The first two items are most commonly used, but sometimes we might need to go further to have a closer estimation. The key to success is to carefully choose a, b, and n so that a over bn goes as large as possible. Let's give it a try. The most simple way is to write 5 over 4 as 1 plus 1 over 4. However, in this expression, the value of a over bn is very small. That means we will not be able to use a few items to estimate its value. It's a no-go. Let's give another try. We can write 5 over 4 to the 25th power as 5 over 4 to the 5th power, then to the 5th power. And the inner side can be written as 3125 over 1024, which is equal to 3 plus 53 over 1024. Let's calculate its value, a over bn, which is larger than 10. That's good enough. Let's continue. So here, we will use the first two items to estimate the value. And apparently, there is a larger than signal here. However, 53 over 1024 is still not easy to calculate, but we know it is slightly larger than 0.05. So we use 0.05 to substitute 53 over 1024, and again, there's a larger than symbol here. The calculated value of this expression is 263.25, which is larger than 256, or we can say 4 to the 4th power. So we have proved that 5 over 4 to the 25th power is larger than 4 to the 4th power. And eventually you can get 4 over 29 is smaller than 5 to the 25th power. We want to explore if there's another way. So here is trial number 3. We know 25 is equal to 1 plus 3 times 8. So the entire expression can be further written as 5 over 4 times 2 minus 3 over 64 to the 8th power. And the calculated value of a over bn is larger than 5. Probably good enough. Again, we will use the first two items of expanded expression to estimate the value, which is shown here. And the calculated value of this expression is 260, which is larger than 256. So up to here, we have proved that 4 to the power of 29 is smaller than 5 to the power of 25. Problem solved. At the end of the video, there's a problem for you to practice. So which one is larger, 3 to the 12th power or to the 19th power? Thank you.